The 2020 Jeep Gladiator Mojave and High Altitude Special Editions. The 2020 Jeep Gladiator has proven its mettle since its launch, and it's not a bad off-roader by any means. However, Jeep decided to up the ante and make it even more suitable to desert terrain. Called the Gladiator Mojave, this is the first desert-rated vehicle to come out of Jeep's factory ever. Jeep has improved focus on the Gladiator's suspension on this rugged pickup truck's desert-ready version. Jeep also launched the High Altitude Edition that's got to do more with extra features and luxury than ruggedness itself. This trim will be available on the Wrangler as well. What's different on the outside? On the outside, the 2020 Jeep Gladiator Mojave doesn't look radically different from the stock trims. Jeep has proudly slapped it with a desert-rated emblem, though. This is an extension of the trail-rated badge that is affixed on Jeep vehicles that are produced to tackle slow-speed rock obstacles. What's more, the side of the heavy-duty performance hood receives a Mojave decal. In addition to that, Jeep has also offered unique wheels on this pickup truck along with sand slider side rails. There is a silver skid plate underneath to protect it from underbody hits. The tow hooks are painted in orange in this exclusive edition. Not a lot of changes on the inside. Customers get to choose between two color themes, black and steel gray. The Gladiator Mojave features aggressive front seats with better bolstering to hold occupants comfortably in place when being adventurous. These seats can be had either in leather or in cloth with orange accent stitching and embroidered Mojave logos. There's also a leather-wrapped steering wheel with accent stitching. To make things easier while driving, Jeep will also offer a forward-facing off-road camera that will allow obstructions and objects to be seen easily. That's a lot of off-road equipment. Jeep solely focused on making this a fun-to-drive truck on desert terrain. The company has also equipped the Gladiator Mojave with the Command Track 4-wheel drive system. The 2-speed transfer case has a 2.72:1 low-gear ratio, and it's complemented by heavy-duty Dana 44 front and rear axles. Thanks to this transfer case, the Gladiator Mojave can operate at higher speeds in 4LO, which will make climbing sand dunes a lot easier, since you need that initial torque in such conditions. The Gladiator Mojave also comes with a standard electronic locking rear diff and a 4.10 rear axle ratio that will improve acceleration while climbing grades, uneven terrains, and carrying heavy loads. The Jeep Gladiator Mojave also comes with exclusive Fox hydraulic jounce bumpers that provide extra damping when the shocks are fully compressed. It is also equipped with 2.5-inch internal bypass shocks with external reservoirs to keep the shock fluid cool under extreme conditions. The truck receives a 1-inch suspension lift and 33-inch Falcon Wildpeak all-terrain tires as standard. You can also opt for Falcon Wildpeak mud-terrain tires, which will be available as an option. All this coupled with half-an-inch wider track helps the Mojave attain better stability. Jeep has reinforced the frame and made the axles stronger with cast iron steering knuckles so that the...
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.